In this video, we are looking at special lines, lines that are vertical or horizontal. And I don't know why, but I find that they often bowl students out. So let's make sure that does not happen to you. It says that we need to draw the following lines. Okay, we have done a lot of work now on lines, and we know that a straight line graph has a standard form that looks like that. Okay, but now we are asked to draw something that looks like that. A line where x is equal to 9. Okay, well, I don't see a gradient. Okay, what is going on there? Let's go plot where x is equal to 9. I think it's there. Yeah. So x is equal to 9 there. But x is also equal to 9 there. X is also equal to 9 there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and also there. So I can stop drawing these now. I think you get the picture. Eventually, they're going to be so close to each other that we will be able to draw a line there. Well, let me try and get it on there. That would be the line x is equal to 9, because everywhere there x is equal to 9. That line has an undefined gradient. Refer back to the video on gradients where we talk about that a little bit and why the gradient is undefined. Now it says y. Y is equal to -4. There we can see the gradient falls away, so there's no gradient. Let's go plot that. So where's y in -4? 1, 2, 3, 4. -4 is there because obviously we've got our 0, 0 there. Let me just label those axes, okay? Y is -4 there, but y is also -4 there, and also there, also there, and there, and there, and there, and everywhere there. So eventually they're going to form a straight line. There is our line. Y is equal to -4. No matter where you are on that line, y stays consistent. Y is always equal to -4. The x's keeps on changing. So if we label that point over there, we will have an x value. What is x there? -8, I think. And your y is equal to -4. If we label that one, x is equal to 0 and our y is equal to -4. And if we go there, our x keeps on changing, but our y stays -4. And there we've got a horizontal line. So a horizontal line has an equation like y is equal to, and then whatever the value is. So if we look at y is equal to 1, well, we just go to where y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 there, but y is also equal to 1 there, and everywhere there. So it's going to form a line. There is our horizontal line. That is a gradient of 0. There's no inclination. It is a gradient of 0. There we go. So that would be the line y is equal to 1. And then the last one where x is equal to 0. Where is x equal to 0? Well, x is equal to 0 there. And x is also equal to 0 there. And there, and there. Everywhere there. There is our vertical line. So when it's the equation x is equal to something, then it will be a vertical line. So there we have it. There is the line where x is equal to 0. So be careful. Yes, it is the y-axis, but that line's equation is the equation where x is equal to 0. X can't be anything other than 0. Find the equation of the following lines. Well, the yellow one is 1 there. So that is a vertical line. So we know that that must be in the form x stays consistent for a vertical line. And if we look at the green line, number 4, it's also a vertical line. So we know that it will be the line x is equal to something. If we look at the orange line, that is a horizontal. So that would take on the form y is equal to something. And the blue line, another horizontal line, so that will take on the form y is equal to something. Y stays consistent on that line. Let's go back to 1. Well, there, our x value is 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. And it's also -4 there. Everywhere on that line, x is equal to -4. Even though the y values keeps on changing, our x stays consistent at -4. Gradient is undefined. Okay, let's look at 2. Now we're dealing with an horizontal line. So x is equal to something. Y is equal to something. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's y is equal to 5. No matter where you position yourself on that line, y has a constant value of 5. And then the blue line, there y is equal to -1, no matter where you go on that line. And last one, the green one. Oh no, I messed that up. Did I mess that up? No, I didn't mess that up. The green line is where x is, it's all those dots, man. It's all those lines that made me think that I messed it up. Okay, so let's just do that again. On the green line. Okay, well, it's on the y-axis. Do you see it there? It's on the y-axis. But over there, what is x equal to there? We know it's a vertical line, so it will be x that stays consistent. And over there, x is just 0 because it's on the origin there, right? So that is the line's equation is x is equal to 0. So watch out for these special lines. Don't underestimate them. And they are going to show up in your future again.